Day 27 of our challenge, and what can I say? I don't have any good news. It's been really stagnant and bad lately. Also because I barely have had any time. I had like 30 minutes each day or like an hour because I have so much work to do currently. So it's really hard to do this. I wish I would have had like 16 hours each day or 18 hours where I can go full on dive into it, which I don't have, but that's fine. We'll try to make the best out of it. So the videos, as I said, are around like 600 videos, 600 views. And on Instagram though, it is getting like the reels are starting to get like around 50 or 100 views, like past reels as well. So that's what makes me really hopeful, that Instagram is starting like to push my content out. It isn't like a lot of views, but I hope like sooner or later it will get traction. So hope for the best. So what we've been doing lately, the last days, is work on the store a lot because I added a lot of products, but it took so much time to like do the whole copy, like the copywriting for each product, and then find good pictures, and also the review importing, editing the reviews to make them look more appealing, which I finished today already. There's still some more products which I'd like to add, but for now it's okay for me. Like, I'm satisfied the store can work like that, especially for the ads. So it is 1 a.m. again, and I'm editing the ad copies now. So hopefully I'm done by tomorrow or like today, so that I can start to run the ads the day after, because I'm sick of this waiting and tired of it, and I just want to start doing ads so that I can show you guys some results and also go back to uploading daily again, because on organic uploading daily is kind of like slow. So I'll try to do it again when I run ads. I'm still pretty confident that it is going to work pretty well. I ordered the products which I put on my store as well, like free. I think I ordered 4 products, which I added to my store. So I'm really excited to have more ideas going on with videos like for TikTok Organic and YouTube Shorts. So my mind is full of ideas for the other products, so I can cycle video ideas and don't have to do the same thing, almost the same thing every time. Yeah, this is the status so far. I'll probably update you guys when we reach the 30 days. So this is going to be really exciting. I'll work on improving the quality of the videos as well for YouTube. I will have a lot more time in like 3 to 4 days. Starting in 3 to 4 days, I'll have a lot more time because I'm finished with a lot of work of mine. So yeah, until then, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up to support this channel. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm excited to see you guys for the next video. Bye.